Welcome to this MAXQDA tutorial on coding. In MAXQDA, coding means assigning a specific element from our material to a category. There are different ways to create new codes and code our material with them. For example, we can create a new code by adding a new code to our code system. We can do that either by clicking this button, by clicking the green plus symbol on entries in a list of codes, or by right-clicking on one of the entries. We can now give our new code a name, assign a color tag, and, if necessary, write a code memo. We can then apply this code via drag and drop to all sorts of marked elements in our material. These elements thus become coded segments. It works the same way for text, images, videos, and tables. I can also create a new code by selecting a segment in a document, right-clicking, and choosing Code with New Code from the context menu. Now when I type in the code name, I am shown similar code names. That way I can quickly check if a similar code already exists in my project. As soon as we have added a code to a segment, a coding stripe appears next to the coded segment. The length of the coded segment can be adjusted with these grabbers afterwards. Using the context menu, we can also assign a weighting to the coded segments. When we analyze our data later, these weightings can serve as filters. If we decide to work with an approach informed by grounded theory, we can use the open coding mode to generate a code as soon as a new segment is marked. In the similar In-Vivo mode, the corresponding segment is used as the new code name. We can assign keyboard shortcuts for codes by simply dragging them into this table. Using the context menu, we can also use one of the 3 most recently used codes to code the highlighted segment. When we click on Code Favorites, a window opens in which we can add our favorite codes via drag and drop. With this list, we don't have to drag and drop the codes to the corresponding segment. We just need to select the segment and click on the corresponding entry in the list. We can apply multiple codes by highlighting a segment, selecting the codes, and moving them all to the highlighted segment. We can also activate the codes and select the corresponding option from the context menu. In addition, we can search for specific keywords in MAXQDA and then code them automatically. To do this, we click on Text Search in the Analysis tab, enter our search term, and start the search. We can now code the list of search results automatically by clicking on this button. Here we can code the keyword itself, the sentence in which the keyword occurs, or even the complete paragraph. Especially at the beginning of a project, it often makes sense to highlight important sections of a document with different marker colors. We can do this with color codes in MAXQDA. When we select a segment, we can choose one of 5 highlighter colors to mark the segment. These color codes appear in the text. A new code with the name of the color is also created in the code system. If I now activate a code and then activate some documents, the list of coded segments shows me every place in the activated documents that has been marked with the activated code. If we have assigned a lot of codes in our project, the sidebar may show a lot of coding strips. In order to get a better overview, we can hide or show individual colors, select that we only want to display activated codes, or only display the codes of a specific person. And that's it for this video tutorial on coding with MAXQDA 2022. We wish you all the best with your project.